Hi, in this lecture we are going to create the conduits between the thermostat and the VAV box. So I will go to visibility graphics to filters and I will turn the HVAC filter. As you can see, this is the VAV box and we have the thermostat over here. Again, go to filter and turn off the HVAC system. We have this typical detail. As you can see, we have this conduit 25 millimeter PVC conduit for thermostat embedded in wall. So we have it inside the wall and it's connecting the thermostat with the VAV box. So I will go to Revit. I am not going to create the conduits for all VAVs. We are going to create it for this room. Choose one room and create the conduits for one room, and then you can do for other rooms. You can do it for other rooms. So to create conduit in Revit, go to conduit. The thermostat default elevation is 1200 millimeters. So here type in the middle elevation 1200 millimeter. One click inside the wall because it's embedded inside the wall as per the typical detail. And I will go up above the false ceiling to be connected with the VAV box. So here I will type 3700 millimeter. Okay, and I will double press on apply tab, on apply key or apply tool. Now, as you can see, we received this message. We need to turn on the conduit. Where is the conduit and conduit fittings? Click on OK. Change the detail level to fine. As you can see, this is the conduit. And as per the detail, the diameter is 25 millimeter PVC conduit. But as you can see, the diameter is 27. We have 27 and 21. I will choose the bigger size, this one, the 27 millimeters. So this is the standard size that we have in Revit. Now I will go to 3D view, to selection box. As you can see, this is the thermostat. I will change the transparency of the walls. I will go to Revit links, to custom, to model. I will go to walls and I will change the transparency to, let's say, 40. Click on OK and OK. As you can see, this is the PVC conduit embedded inside the wall. But as you can see here, we have the motorized smoke fire damper. So I will lower it down to solve the clash, 3200 millimeter. And I will move like this. I will right click, draw conduit. Okay, we don't have the fittings. We didn't define the fittings. So select the conduit, edit type, and from here we need to load them first. Insert load family and go to the electrical folder, to cable tray folder. As you can see, we have two folders. Okay, we can take it out. I will select the conduit, Control X. I will go out to electrical and I will paste it over here and I will type 04, and here we have in this folder we have the conduit fittings. I will select them and I will load them. Now select the conduit, right click, draw conduit, and I will draw it. Okay. Okay, after loading them, we need to define them as default settings or default fittings. So I will select the conduit, I will click on edit type, and from here I will choose all PVC fittings like this, and I will click on OK. Now we need to place an elbow to move away from the duct. So here I will draw a conduit and I will go to the 2D view. I will select the elbow and from here I will draw a conduit like this and I will do it like this. Now go to 3D view. As you can see, this is the conduit between the thermostat and the VAV box. Now we can move. Okay, I will move inside the wall, not like this. Okay, I will draw a conduit and I will move 3700. What is the height of the slab? 3800. And I will make it like this to place it on the slab level exactly above. I will use the keyboard arrows like this and I will drag it till we reach above the VAV box. Go to visibility graphics, import categories, to filters and HVAC filter. And as you can see, this is the VAV box Draw a conduit and place it like this. So this is the conduit. Now I will go to the data ground floor view, and I will go to the systems to conduit fittings, and I will place this junction box cross PVC, this one, and place it on the conduit like this. Move it by using the keyboard arrows. Move this one like this. As you can see, so that's it for the conduit as per the typical detail as this one. Now I will go to the data ground floor view. I will fit the view. I will turn off the HVAC filter. As you can see, this is the conduit that connects the thermostat with the VAV box as per this typical detail. Now to save the time, please complete the conduit for all the VAVs. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 conduits, so please complete them. This lecture will be the last lecture in this section, but it will not be the last lecture for the modeling topics. I have more to tell you about in the coming lectures, but for now, we can move to the next section. In the next section, we will talk about the coordination, MEB versus MEB, MEB versus architectural element. We are going to learn how to create the clash report. We are going to learn how to export the clash report, how to select the elements by ID, and how to solve the clashes. And we will learn how to create the openings, the builder's work opening in the architectural model using first manually. We will create the openings manually. Then we are going to create a script. We are going to create algorithm using Dynamo to create the openings automatically. So thank you very much and see you in the next section, the coordination section.